Dear students, today I am going to explain database keys. First I will explain what is keys. Next I will explain type of keys. Database keys. First we will see about what is keys. First one, keys are uniquely identify any record or column of data from the table. Let me take small example. So I have a student table. In that I have a student ID, student name. And I have value 1 and 2. I have name X and X. So I have another table, employee table, employee ID, employee name. So this is nothing but attribute. I have value 3 and 4. I have name Y and Y. So according to first point, keys are uniquely identify any record or column data from the table. So according to this example, SID is the column of data uniquely identified. Here EAD is the column of data uniquely identified in this table. So keys are uniquely identify any record or column data from the table. Second point, keys are very important part of relational database model. So here relational is nothing but rows and column. So according to second point, so this student table is having rows and column. This employee table having rows and column. So keys are very important part of rows and column database model. It is nothing but keys are used to find unique key in the table. Third point, keys are used to identify and relationship between tables. So according to third point, keys are used to identify unique key in the table and also is find relations between the two tables. Fourth point, a key can be a set of attributes or a group of attributes where combination may act as a key. So according to fourth point, a key can be a set of attribute or group of attributes where combination may act as a key. So in this example, SID is the single column attribute is become the unique key. In this example, EAD is the single column attribute is become the unique key. Like that, set of attribute or group of attribute where combination may act as a key in the table. So this is the logic of database keys. Next I will explain types of keys. So we have four types of keys. First one, primary key. Second one, candidate key. Third type, super key. Fourth type, foreign key. So first we will see about what is primary key. It is the first key and uniquely identify record in the table. So let me take small example. So this is a employee table. I have employee ID, employee name, employee address, passport number, license number, SSN number. I have another table, student table. I have SID, student ID, student name. So according to first primary key, it is the first key and uniquely identified record in the table. So according to this example, EID is the unique for all the employee and SID is the unique for the student. And EID is the first key in the table and SID is the first key in the student table. So EID and SID become the primary key in this table. Second point, candidate key. So it is also uniquely identify record in the table. And except primary key, remaining all uniquely identified key in the table is nothing but a candidate key. Except primary key, remaining all uniquely record in the table. So candidate key is the as long as the primary key. So according to this example, employee is the primary key, remaining all uniquely identified key in the table is nothing but a candidate key. So here passport number, license number and SSN number is become the candidate key because this is a uniquely identified except primary key in the table. So it became the candidate key. Next, super key. So it is nothing but uniquely identified record. And so it is superset of candidate key. Example, the employee table we have employee ID and employee name. So combination of primary key and another name attribute is become the super key in the table. So in this example, employee name it can be same for 2 employees, but employee ID it cannot be same for 2 employees. So employee ID, employee name is become the super key in the table because this combination of one primary key and another non-primary key attribute. So foreign key is nothing but it is the column of table and points to primary key in another table. So this is the logic of foreign key. So it is nothing but it is the column of table. It is one column in the table and it is point to primary key in another table. In this example, I have SID in the student table. I am using SID in the employee table. It is nothing but a foreign key. So it is become foreign key in this table. So SID I am using primary key in another table. So another table primary key is nothing but foreign key. So primary key and SID used to connect the two tables. So with that all types of keys logic is explained and what is keys logic is explained. So next class I will explain the conversation. Thank you.